Yeah, so good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. How you all doing? Hope everybody is fine. I want to quickly drop this video. It's a very short one. Before I start, please always try to share and like my video. Always comment as well. Please comment and share. Share with love. Like I said in my last video, sharing will give you more luck, more good things. Please share. In every mess, there is a message in it. So always share my video and like it and comment below as well. Please, guys, please. Thank you, guys. God bless you. So I just want to give a short message. My phone is still not ready yet. The other half of my phone is supposed to play music first. So, but let me just quickly, rush and say what I want to say because it's going to be a short one. I know I did be now most of my video. I don't want to make it long. I want to make it short. Because if video too long, it will scare many people. They will just say, yo, 1 hour, 2 hours. They will come the forward down like me on the side they doing something. I'm not gonna lie. That if it's too long, if not 1 hour, I go wash her. But if you don't, they go 2 hours or 1 hour 30 minutes, I'll come they bored for the video. And not to come like come again, because of time. But they're busy always with children, with things as work and a lot of things, or with school. You understand? So because of that one, to watch long video it's a burden sometimes, Sorry for my voice, so I know that. So my short message is this. I'm supposed to write it, but I will just say it with my mouth, and I guess people will still believe. So people will understand. The message is, it's better to be taking care of it's better to be taking care of one mistake or two mistakes than adding another mistake to the first and second one again. I guess you understand what I'm trying to say, but I will break it down. It better say you did be say, oh, for example, now I make mistake born one picking, or I make mistake born second picking, or 5 picking. You go dey be they take care of your children, take care of yourself, take care of your house. Now to go born again, to make person happy, to satisfy that person. At the end of the day, borning again, adding another one to that one again will come be mistake, big mistake. There's a saying that say first mistake is understandable. People go understand, say, okay, now first mistake. Even second one, I see they understandable small. But the third mistake, I didn't understand the way my brothers and my sister were. Oh, one hour me, you be an hour me, or 2 hours be why you me wagbon. Ari wawe. You understand, my people? First mistake, it good for you, small, it good for you. Second mistake, man. But the third mistake, only is the my ye. I know what I mean, why me wagbon, you understand? All those kind of things. So I'm in the bed relaxing, I drop my kids to school, and then I'll go and bring them back at 1:30, 2 o'clock. For me, I've went to one school just for 2 hours. I just came back 10 o'clock. I was back 10 o'clock, 10:20. say, let me relax more. So I was trying to relax. That's why my voice is a kind of deep like this, you know. So, but I could not really get the relax I want. I said, okay, let me just use the opportunity to quickly do a short video. So, let me break them down. So my message is that it better say you bear. Say, oh, I make one mistake, I make second mistake, or make I bear. They take care of my children. Then you'll see add another third mistake. Might be my message. So I want to just use this opportunity to encourage you guys, brothers and sisters. Nobody is perfect. That is my name in my YouTube. Please try to subscribe. Lady B, who is perfect. No one is perfect. You understand? So my point is this. I speak to a friend yesterday and we're just talking. We talk for more than 1 hour. I feel her pain and all those things. You know, me, I not be person where they play records. And I don't even sabi even the record person. I for they play and most times make una they hear. But I just they reserve them based on I never you need all those things now. Maybe if we don't plenty, they watch. How can they play? And as in not the old ones, but the latest one, the fresh ones where I come across. You understand? But nevertheless, my own belief say person wants to watch my video, even if now 6 months time, 1 year time, they go see watch and they go see like them. They go see they encourage, they go see pick one point inside. And they go see comment. So that would be my belief. I hear the year no rush in life. So the point is this. After we don't talk finish, I consider she too can they advise me consider advice. Some can they advise each other. I know how they be now, this life, I advise me. I mean on no phone now, nobody is perfect. Advise me, I advise you. So she was even saying it. And believe me, guys, that advice, when she can the advice, me, I get a lot of points inside. I mean, I learn lesson for inside the advice when she can the advice. I catch some points. You understand? Oh man, not call for my video now. God. I catch some points. When I call the other number, I beg. And she be they call me, or she be want talk. Oh. I will call you with the other phone. Me, I don't want to use this phone. And secondly, I want to make it day short. Maybe later in the day, in the night or tomorrow. I will let you talk if you want to talk. But at this minute, no. I want to make your day very short. Because I get an appointment again by maybe 12:30. So this is already 11:30. I get an appointment. I'm supposed to come off for us 12:37. Sorry, 12 o'clock. 12:15. Latest 12:15 I'm supposed to come off for us. So meaning I'll use 15 minutes, I'll quit a dress. So, may I do this thing just 20 minutes and I'll get that to talk. 20-25 minutes. So I know one can call you. And I'm not use this phone to call you. I'll call you with the other phone. You can talk. So no worry. We'll do that one. Maybe next time or tomorrow. Not this minutes. So, my people, I seen a short one. So may I just quick. So she's gonna talk a lot of things. So I can't get points inside. I don't want to be the thing while you're stuck. The points where I get. She to me consider advice and to she too. She consider me say she gets some points. You know, say Egba no one fool. If you advise me, I advise you. When you be not know, for now say talk, person will see let you know, say I see this thing. That's what life be. When you me still know, me be still know. When person don't know if we see talk. Me also tell her, say, no, I don't reach that place. So, you see code, see, take, get lessons, say, okay, this sister tell me, say, this place, that's what it be. That's what life be. I want for, but not want for. You know, if you know everything finish. Now, me, if I talk about one of my videos, say, even small picking, your own picking, go even advise you, say, mommy, or you go even see, encourage you, say, mommy, don't like this, it go good like this if we don't like this. Or that's why it go take sweet pass. That's what this food go take the okay, you understand? So that's the way it be. Oh, yeah. Oh, I send a message here for me now. And they use this thing. Please don't distract this video now, sister Lao. Call it okay. I worry me, I finish it, but me, I call away here. So, you just gonna distract me. I can't forget what I want to talk about. Me, I just quickly rush, talk the one where I remember. So, at the end of the day, after we talk finish, I realized, and she too, she still realized, say, this life, no matter what, if you don't make the first mistake, second mistake, the third mistake, it is somehow. It's very, very bad to make the third mistake. I know that nobody is perfect. Nobody wants to make it, they make mistake. Now, mistake, they cause mistake. You understand? I know. But then, be careful. Be wise and be vigilant. Be very, very wise and be vigilant. Nobody know a pass. Nobody wise pass. But try to see apply wiseness. Try to see go gather that wiseness. Try to buy and by fire, by force. Try make it come to you. Try make you sit down, reason, make that sense come. I still make one video I think weeks ago. It's not good to still rush into anything like relationship or so. Don't be carried away. Don't rush into it and say, hey, this man saying love me, this woman saying love me. I go love her more, I go keep myself with her. We go die together. Or I want to prepare the whole world. I must love her, I must love me. Make the whole world see her. I want to do this one. I want born for her. He go born for me. All those kind of things. You understand? Or I want you speaking to Ola. Or if they beg me to make I born for her. I want to show born for her. I want to prepare the world. Say I don't see another man. Or I deal with man. Or I deal with woman. For that reason, I want you born for her. May I take capture her. So for that reason, come on, go anywhere. I pray. I wish I saw you go to be for too good. Brothers and sisters, mona receive sense. Mona hear word. Some of una not be all. No picking, no matter say the picking are good, no matter I go find rich, even if that picking can't find pass for this whole world, he cannot use it to catch a man. If that man want wrong, come and go see wrong. If that man want come out tell you say, if he wants to tell you say you did nag or you did disturb or you did misbehave, say no fit behave you again, he go still come. Even if you give the man, say the man be not get paper, you give him picking, give him paper. If he wants to wrong sister or ye lay. You see wrong every day. So use brain, be wise, and be vigilant. Nobody is perfect, I know, but try to use brain. One sister did this my city, I know I call her name. She don't fair born children. And the man not there again. He can't go meet with another one. If you see this sister, very fine lady. Me will be woman, they trip for her, not be lie. She would not say some kind of thing. Oh, I be message going phone now. Oh, God. Some people don't understand. I want to live for when why be message when why call. You understand? This is a fine, beautiful lady. What I want beautiful. Or not be a leme. Because when she born don't pass 5, but she fine. If you see her, I say me will be woman they trip for her. If I see her, I say sister, wow, umusesha, what they okay. In short, I go say they will tell and say, I don't know what they tell you. You don't know, say some people, they admire this, your beauty. Not be even man, they admire your beauty. Woman like you, will they admire this, your beauty, you too fine. Now, man still leave you. Now, what for men? So, meaning say, beauty not even day enough to take capture a man. You understand? So, at the end of the day, what I'm trying to say, she can't born, as if she don't fair born children, more than 5 children. I don't even want to call the number of children she don't fair born, but it passed 5. But at the end of the day, you can go born another one again. You should tell me, you can go born another one again. The one she born again. The 7th child that she can born again, she will not come only love here. Everybody, open say, this speaking, this woman go your day with her based on say they go day, jolly, they take care of the rest children. At the end, now later, our friends and never tell me come here, say they not they give, don't tell where they come on, but they not they give. She young newborn where they even separate. She born never even reach, picking never even reach 6 months where they separate. When the man run come and say, really? So meaning the man don't collect document finish, he can't still leave this woman. As this woman find Jesus, even that girl it touched me for more than 1 month. I couldn't think and the reason I said, God. Till now, I say think and so maybe. That's what this life be. So now true say, man, not the feel the woman, not feel they use beauty. You don't feel they use anything, even picking, even money. You know if they entice a man, fine, they go collect the money, then go they entice, but that one not mean say then go, you go make them stay with you forever. If man want run leave, you go see come out. If man want complain, say you did nag, say you did disturb, say he don't tire for you, you know if he stop him. It is prayer. Now prayer be everything. Not be fine, not be you to get good character, you to get money to give her, you to get gift to take shower. I pray it's just God Almighty. If God is not involved, it can never work. And secondly, if as they disturb person, they get own problem. If they get own problem concerning relationship, the relationship can never work. That is the message I want to drop. It can never work. If you like, you follow 100 men. As you they follow them, after some months, you go see the relationship go see end. You go see end. You go see the end. You get broken relationship always. But my point is this: not be good to get broken relationship. It's not a good thing. It's a painful thing. Because me too, I'm a woman. But the advice is, please, women, especially our women, try. My camera got dark now. Try. Our women, try. Please. I mean, not because I cover the curtain and all those things. I know you're dark. Well, it's okay. Because I want to see, Our women, try. Try very well. Good morning. I greet you, bros. Hello. God bless you. I greet you. I'm fine. I'm fine. We thank God. After this, I'll try call you, Sha. I'll try message you. I greet you. You understand? So, broken relationship is not good. It's not a good thing. I'm a woman. Not be good thing. But it's better. Say maybe, fine. You get broken relationship than you get breaking marriage. And always be wise and be vigilant. That is my advice for you, our ladies. Be wise. Yes, thank God, children are fine. Be wise and be vigilant, you understand? It's not a good thing to get broken relationship. But then, broken marriage is even the worst. So to me, you get broken relationship, it better pass say you can't go the bonbon picking for the different broken relationship. At the end of the day, first mistake, you take off your first mistake, you say they take off your second mistake, third mistake. So be wise and be vigilant, our ladies, most of us. Our men, I'm sorry, I'm not against you, but it is God. To be with you people is God. To be with woman is God too. Not be anything say you want to use money, take shama. You want to use picking, take hold and take capturer. You want to use this one and lie, they work. They work. If you want come on, go see come on. If you want run, go see run. Go tell you say to the nag, to the disturb. You understand? That's the way that one be. So my point is this. Try not to put another mistake, join your mistake. That is my point. That is my message. You don't forget one mistake. Like one should not be mistake. They are gift from God. But I'm just trying to say it like that. According to the call I received yesterday, the way we take talk, you understand? So the first mistake or second mistake, you are not supposed to put the third mistake again. Third mistake, third mistake is very bad. I mean, it's not nice again. People will ask you, say, waiting, what by Jaria? Waiting. You have to use brain, use corruption when dealing with people, men or women. Some men will just go, I love you, I like you. Just to come and say they want to collect something from your hand, like that document. Once they collect and finish, then go wrong. And women, be wise. Any woman will already get children. Anyone. Be very, very wise if another man come into your life. Be sensitive. It is not all that glitters that are good. Not you say, hey, I don't see man, I don't get man now because I don't get children. Everywhere good, everywhere popori, everywhere bust. Be wise. Use brain to follow that man. Because then go one may you born for them, may you give the document, at the end of the day they'll run come out. Most of them are like that. Not all. Most of them are like that. Because I know so you don't already get children, then when you come, say, okay, I want you to join a day with her, make she still give me my own. The woman a fabrica and a company, na baby machine, Not a pity for person, not a pity for the woman. Waiting, if not a sister, I'm not go feel. When I say the pity, at least when I say they fear God, if I don't want pity for the woman. Woman out there, don't born 5 children or 6 children. Or how many children? Or even 2 children. You go meet her out there, now love each other, you the show and love now there. But at the end of the day, you they disturb her with picking, may forgive you paper. Huh? Woman say they take off children, small picking. You they rush and make it born for you, may forgive you paper. How they fear God, at least if I don't want to fear the woman. From her sister, how now feel? When I go advice on her sister, on her own blood sister, where your mama born, after she don't born 2 or 3. Another man can't deal with her. You go the advice and they say, sister, la wo. I said, give a baby, but then wagbaro na. After all, marry when or after all, engage when quickly your born for another one for her. You go, you as the brother, you go advise her like that. Well, you know, say don't already get at least 3 kids. Let me use it for example, 3 kids. Your sister don't already get 3 children. Okay, yeah, the marriage can't break. You can't see another man that can't day. As they can't even that man can't even marry her or you can't engage her. You they rush your sister, they call and say, sister, how far? I beg born for this bro, so I beg you quickly born for her, may you give her document. You go they rush her like that. You know, advice sister say, I beg, come use brain to follow this bro, so I know say that good brother. I know say that good man. Use brain to follow her. Think and where, reason and where. You know. Not rush. Just look at whether you're the best man for you, whether your life partner. Before you rush, call the bon, or before you call it do anything. Don't be saying you're making the bonbon. No. Be wise. Use brain to follow her first. And that will be the advice supposed to be given. And secondly, you don't need to just say you see ma, maybe under 9 months or 1 year or 2 or 6 months or 3 months you're the bonbon. No. At least 3 years, or 2 years, you'll take look the man weller. Yes. 2 years, 3 years, you take look the man, understand the man, make the man be your best friend, your best friend, your father, your brother, then your husband, everything. Before you say, okay, I want born for her, or I want to, I don't love her, me and you don't trust each other, I don't understand the good and bad character, I don't know where, I don't know what he go fit do, what he not fit do, I don't even know a lot of bad things or good things we don't fit do. For that reason, okay, I love her, we love each other, we don't still promise each other. So now I go born for her. You look the relationship at least 2 years, 3 years. Don't be say 6 months or 3 months or even 9 months. It's not enough. Look at it 2 years at least. If it's too small, 2 years. For you say, okay, you want rush, come they born for man or all those kind of things. Feel like you say, want marry you, let her marry you. If you want engage you, let her engage you. But that picking you, reason and where. Look at it 2 years because picking not be waiting there easy. Picking not be waiting picking not be easy something. Picking a lifetime property where you go they take care of forever till death. Even if you go marry yourself. Now you see the caution and say my picking doing like this, they do like you see the advice. Me today, my mama say they advise me. My mama say they advise me with my age. By the grace of God, I'm 40 today. My mama say they advise me. Say don't do it like this or do it like this or email. So that's how they verse. I say, oh, mommy, I beg. I don't be small picking now. You say they control me. You go say no, say they control me. Say they tell me, say no. Not like this. You understand? Normally, with the girl they go Nigeria always. Last year, I want to go Nigeria. My mom couldn't even tell me, say, we'll go together. So I couldn't say, I beg, mommy, I beg, you don't do, I don't tire, waiting. Must we go to Nigeria always together? As in, no, this time around. Although if we go to Nigeria together, like then, now they like to stay for Lagos. But me, I like to stay for Benin. You understand? Me or Yoko come and live there for Lagos. Me or go my Benin go stay. You understand? So last year, now so she come talk. I can say, I beg, I know your faith for this one you did also. Mommy, I not be small picking again. I beg now. I make you see reason now. Don't marry, I don't get children. So they gotta go Nigeria again. We did do it before, but now no. Me stop there. You know, I'm just they try to give example of something where it happened to me. This true life story, you understand? Even this year, by the grace of God, I'm still planning to go to Nigeria. My mom is still saying, we'll go together, just wait, put it in the same time. Let do it the same month. We'll go together. I say, mommy, I've told you to stop it now, please, mommy. Stop it. If you want to go to Nigeria, go. If me wants to go, me go still go. Because my mom, she's not in Nigeria, you understand? So that's what that one be. So what am I trying to say? Please try to watch very well. Be wise and be vigilant. Don't rush into things. Especially relationship. Relationship not be they rush into at all. The rest if you rush, say I want to, I want rush find money, I want to do this one, I want to do that one. Yes, it's okay. Relationship not rush. Fine, you go fit day with the man. I not say man not day, but not rush. Say, hey, marriage, hey, bon, no. Check the man where, check the woman where, reason and where, check and where make you balance her. Nobody is perfect. Everybody go still make mistake. I not say go find the perfect man, find the best man. No, I'm saying any man where you deal with, any woman where you deal with, try to be wise and be vigilant with him or her, and make sure una know each other reach 2 years first at least before you dey think or say, okay, I want born, I want to do this one, I want to do that one. You understand? Because most of them, they go just rush you into it. At the end of the day, or run, leave you. This is how they talk. We talk many things. Now she be the call. But I don't want to make she talk because I want to end my live stream now. Before 12 or latest 12 o'clock, I must end this live stream because I get appointments, you understand? Now I don't want to make she talk. She talk today. I know say before they go they talk. Oh, I feel call her for the other phone. She go they talk on the here. But it go take time because me get with you. I want to go do. I get appointment and I'll go pick my kids from school at 1:30. You understand? Don't rush into a relationship. Try to wash out, wash your back, wash your front. Be wise and be vigilant. It is not all that glitter that I got at the first for one of my videos. Please try to wash. Nobody is perfect. See, this sister that I'm talking about now. If I get the time, maybe she could talk tomorrow or next tomorrow or whenever. I don't know. Anytime when she would be interested to talk. At the end of the day, after she born, children finish now. The man when she come in, I don't leave her. You don't leave her, she can't complain, they tell me now. And she don't already go born on that one again, on that momo. New baby again for this boy. The boy don't leave her. It can't be first mistake, she did inside, they take off the children. Second mistake, they take off the children. Third mistake again, because he join. You understand? A guy be now. Third mistake again, she your newborn again. So begin they 3 months, be 4 months, now the boy still don't come out. Don't already go sign for all those kind of things. So be wise and be vigilant, people. Please be wise and be vigilant. Don't rush into a relationship. Don't rush into bonbon. Don't do it. It's not good. It's not good. You understand? Please. Don't run. I can't leave her. So how far now? I market now to that my sister now. You know? Person need to be wise and be vigilant. I have to end this live stream now because my friend they call me for this phone and they disturb my video. So maybe I will talk again later today because the calling they distracts me. You understand? Sorry guys. So that's how it be. Huh? He can't leave her now. He can't leave her now. So that my lady now and market now. I know they laugh you, but I only try to tell you, say you make mistake, be wise. Me when they talk, so I was once a victim. Me, I don't born for mommy and the man not day again. But I did with another mind. No means I'll your rush come they born again. I'll use sense, I'll use brain. I go reason and go think and make I balance her. I go reason and well whether yes, as we did so, this thing will lead to say we go there forever. If we go lead to say we go there forever, yes, I feel born. Say okay. But if I say you no go lead say me we there forever, I no go born. I no go born that pikin because I mean, if you come born, it go come be another mistake. They take care of them. You know easy. Children not dey easy at all to take care of. Children are lifetime thing. Let me make an example with my life. You say me say my mama say they call me sometimes they tell me, they advise me, they give me some Bible verses to read. They tell me, okay, read here, they pray, everything will be okay. For example, I just complain, say, Mommy, see the dream where I dream we get a bill. She will say, okay, read so place. Sometimes I go forget to read down. Sometimes I not go even remember. She go even call me, they control me as in, you don't read down, you don't pray. I tell you, say, you do fast, you don't fast, you don't pray, you don't do it. I'll say, oh, Mommy, I want to carry my children from school, Jerry. I never do it because I tire. I did do something and I want to go appointment. I go do this, I want to go cook. I want to go do this, I want to clean house. I want to go buy something for the children. You go say, I know my daughter, I know it's not easy. But I told you to pray fast, even if that's in 12 or 3 o'clock, you not do. You know, I go there with a couple, oh, Mommy, I beg, I know say what you they tell me is good, you are correct, but oh, may you leave me now. Face your own life with your husband, with my papa for there. I beg, leave me, Jerry. Let me see face my own, leave me. What am I trying to point at? She go say they try to control me as a child, as the baby, which she nurture, which she breastfeeded. Of course, it's a normal thing. You understand me, my people? So the same thing too. If you take off picking, it's like forever. It's not easy. So for that reason, before you go let the picky come the word, you will make sure say yes, assurance day. Fine, many of us don't make mistake. First mistake, second mistake. But the third mistake is man, only a point in third mistake is say man. At home, yeah, man, they are good. Most of them not be like that too. But I be doing so man. I told him so. So they just come to destroy. They are real children of Jezebel. Men have a milk, women of Jezebel. They are men of Jezebel. They'll just come to destroy, to put more pain to your pay. If they take out three children and stress, they'll come, they rear you again, pet you, say they love you, engage you, marry yourself. The whole world everywhere go bust. At the end of the day, you will carry the way you can't go born for her. If you can't born for her, finish. At the end of the day, go leave you, go run, come out. So it's not good. My baby, they disturb. They want me come sit down for inside the video, me come they hear me, they distract me. So, my people, that is just a short message from me. Our ladies especially, try to be wise and be vigilant. Don't rush into things, especially relationship, marriage of a thing. You can rush to do that thing of a man, a marriage is a man, because why rush in lao? Only the point to understand. That is the point you guys don't understand. If you rush enter, you go see rush come out. You will see rush come out. Big. When I met her who here, let me they test you. Let me they tell you. I know what they talk. I'm saying it out of experience. So you understand me, my people. Thank you guys. Let me not just go further because I might come back again because of the same video. You know, I have to just, like I said before, I said 12 o'clock, I go drop this my video. I go end them because I get appointments. From there, I'll take my children, the other of my children from school, so I don't have to be long. I guess each and every one of us will get a point in this message. And please, try to comment and share this video. Like and share this video, please, guys. Please. Thank you. God will bless you as you do so. God will bless you. Thank you. Bye-bye. And always press the notification button. Follow. Press the follow button so that whenever I'm live, you will be notified. Thank you, guys. Please support me. Support your sister. You're not going to lose anything if you not support me. You're not going to lose anything. If you not still get on our own page or YouTube, you not still tell me. I will see subscribe. I will see support so that there will not be anything. You understand me? I support it by way you connect me. You understand? So bye-bye, guys. Thank you. Bye. One love. Share and like this video and follow me on my page, please, and comment below as well. And join me on my YouTube. Subscribe to my YouTube because very soon I'll be doing live on my YouTube. Please subscribe. My name on my YouTube is Lady B, who is perfect. Thank you, guys. Bye.